Good day, everyone. We're out here just trying to find some mushrooms, testing out some of the attachments for the GoPro. Took an earlier video. There wasn't a harness strap. I ended up using the helmet strap, and I attached it to Sirius's harness. So we'll see how that turns out. And I'm trying out the chest strap right now, so we're just gonna walk around. Hopefully we can get lucky and find some morels. Might be a little early. We've been out here about a half hour so far, and outside of a few of the common species of fungi that are always out here, no morels yet. Just a few turkey tails have been around, and some of the what's it called? Pig ears. So probably just gonna sit back and just walk and just enjoy this beautiful nature scene. Ja, Papa. Dat is goed, dat hondje, ja. Almost fell there. Sorry, Zeus. I didn't step on you, big guy. I know, I'm not paying attention. I'm looking for the mushrooms. Typically, guys, I find them on this hillside here. Well, it looks like some new trees fell from last year. I guess we'll squeeze into this one here. Oh, here we go. Here's some of these little brown fungus. Some people call them pig ears and other things. They're a little dried up. They probably sprouted earlier in the winter. and then got rehydrated with the last rain. Not the most tasty, but you can, they have a really weird texture. Yes, he does. But you can grind them up and put them into a stew or a soup broth, and they're pretty good that way. Adds a nice little flavor, and then you can bypass the texture. Blenders do wonders with a lot of mushrooms that have some flavor but just aren't the most palatable. Especially the really gelatinous ones. And for those that don't know too much about morels, I'll walk up here. Walking this valley puts me at eye level, but these little plants here, a lot of times they'll have morels growing underneath of them. So they're still young. They'll get pretty big. But by walking in the valley, it actually puts me at eye level with these. So I can just kind of pick off the morels when I see them. But from the looks of it, probably just a little too early. See it. There you go, Sirius. I probably should have threw that for him earlier. On these morel hunts though, sometimes you just get sucked in looking for the mushrooms. But I think that's going to do it for this video, guys, since it's primarily just a test run. All this will be really green in about a month and a half. So this is what we're out doing. Everyone have a beautiful day.